You can think of all surface progress control as a kind of low-speed cruise control.
Okay.
It uses all the vehicle's traction control technology to maintain progress on slippery surfaces, so like ice, snow, wet grass, gravel. You get the idea.
Yeah.
With the vehicle stopped, select all surface progress control from this button right here.
Okay, just push that.
You got it. Then you're going to set
Yeah.
the speed up to a maximum of 19 miles per hour.
Okay.
Release the brake and off you go. Now you can control the speed from the cruise control plus and minus buttons right there.
Yep.
Also, a gentle push on the brake pedal will slow the vehicle. Then, when you release the pedal, the system will maintain the speed at which the vehicle was traveling when the brake pedal was released. A firmer push on the brake pedal will disengage the system.
Well done. That was really well explained. It's complicated to explain and easy to experience. That's fantastic.